Hey folks, I've got my Echo 56 volt battery powered weed eater. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out. First thing, take the battery out just so nothing accidentally turns on. These instructions will also work for the gas powered weed eater, which I just switched on you. Second, you're going to take a length of string, either 0.080 or 0.095 inch diameter, and you can take up to 20 feet at a time. I don't know what this is, but it's probably about 12 feet. Now, if you've got any string left in yours, you're going to pop this cap off by pushing these two tabs here, and this cap will come off. I don't need to do that because mine's already out. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to find this what looks like an arrow or a point here on this top of the spool here, and line that with these holes. And if they're not aligned, you can just turn that until they get aligned. From there, you're going to take your string, whatever length you've got, put it through until it comes out the other hole. Sometimes if your string is twisted or curved, it wants to go its own direction there. So just give it a few attempts there until you get it through. There we go. Now you want to pull the string through so you have equal lengths on each end, or on each side. Okay, and off camera here, I made sure I had equal length of string on both sides, and then from here, all you're going to do is you're going to twist this head clockwise, and that will wind the string. It's either that or you hold the head and turn this top ring here, but that's a little bit harder for me. So I'm just going to turn this until the string winds all the way in. And you're going to wind it until your string is the length of this piece here. You can see I must not have had exactly the same on each side because that one's short, but I've got pliers with me. I could just turn it on and it'll cut against this blade here, but I'll just cut that off there. And that's all there is to it. I'm back in action. When I go out and use this, I can extend the string by bumping it on the ground, and I'll be good to go. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.